Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nanashi. Today we are going to learn how to insert a table in PowerPoint. Okay friends, let's start.
Friends, first open a new blank presentations and get rid of this all. Here you can see some menus. Click on insert menu. Here is lot of options we have to do. Tables. Insert a table. Click on tables. Here you can see grid of 10 by 8 rows and columns. If you want more than 8 by 10 grid, you can click on insert table. A dialog box will appear. It is asking number of columns and number of rows. You can increase and decrease by the up and down arrows, both rows and columns. I take 5 columns and 2 rows. Click on OK. My 5 columns and 2 rows has come as a table. By right clicking on a cell, you can split cell, insert table. Okay, I want to do split cell. I click on split. It is asking now, a dialog box is asking number of columns and number of rows. I said OK. I want 2 columns and 1 row. Click on OK. Here you can see how it has divided into 2 parts a cell. Okay friends. From going on design menu, we can change the color of our table. There are so many colors. I take this one. Okay friends, here you can see shadings. You can fill color of your choice, like I want it yellow. I want this box as yellow color. I click on yellow. This box convert into yellow. Like this, you can change every box color to make your table or timetable decorative. I write here like maths, but I want to make it more designish. What we can do, we can click on effect. Here you can see near quick styles a button text effects. Click on it. It is showing shadow, reflection, glow. I take a glow of red color. Now you can see a glow on maths, like a red color is glowing. If I want to change the style, click on home menu. You can change styles from this option. So, what size you want, like it is 18, we can take how much we want. Okay friends. This is the easy way to make a table in presentation. We can decorate our table with colors. We can modify our table how we want. I want a like first column. I want first column like design. Here you can see how it is making a designs. I want yellow. You can see how my table is changed, and I also want last column. Then I click on again yellow. Here you can see a last column and first column. I want total rows. Click on total rows. Here you can see I take a yellow one. Here you can see how it has divided your table. From this you can make your table more attractive. You can do bordering, like I want all borders. The all borders are appearing on the screen. This is how we insert a table in Microsoft PowerPoint. The same method is applied on Word, Microsoft Word. Okay friends, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like, share my video. Bye bye.